Extreme cold warning in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 11 a.m. EST Tuesday. What? Dangerously cold wind chills as low as 26 below expected. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania. When? From 7 p.m. this evening to 11 a.m. EST Tuesday. Impacts. The cold wind chills as low as 25 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Dress in layers including a hat, face mask, and gloves if you must go outside.